Good morning, YouTube. This is actually the Unpimp My 360, and we just sold it.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is my dealership, NG Supercars, and this is the Unpimp My 360. This was the car that we bought off of Cars and Bids. Well, it was in a, we'll just say, a altered state. This is not a masterpiece. This is a disaster piece. Something like that. I don't know how to say it in a polite way. It was not good. Josh, mostly Josh, and I unpimped this thing, although Josh did most of the unpimping, admittedly. Looks like Josh has a
The more I get into this, the worse it is.
What's going
So
on?
check this out. This had like 10, I'm not kidding you, 10 zip ties on this radiator thing.
And I think he hit his tolerance for patience on some of these things.
This car doesn't fail to amaze. Check it out. He wanted to turn this wire into this wire, so he put this plastic stuff on it, zip tied it. Then he got crazy and was like, okay, got to double down, put another one over it.
Oh, there's some silicone in there
Put
too.
some silicone, then he zip tied it, and then wrapped it in electrical tape. Silicone, electrical tape, zip tie. There's the wire. And it looks like Cat 5 wiring.
And probably removed about 15 pounds of silicone gasket maker.
But it's filled with silicone.
It was quite the experience. So if you haven't seen the video of us unpimping this thing, I highly recommend you go check it out. And also, you can go see our skit of me getting arrested for crimes against Enzo. Come on. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay, give up.
But I wanted to show you what it looks like now that it's been fully unpimped and actually sold. And actually, I wanted to also explain that we got it back from paint. I posted one picture on Instagram, and boom, we had 3 people making offers on this thing instantly. We were shocked. And so anyway, it never actually hit the market. So if you're one of the people that were waiting for this thing to hit the market, sorry. Gotta act quick, I guess. So anyway, let me show you where it's at now, and it's actually quite impressive. Here is the glorious and notorious hood scoop. Yes.
By Enzo Ferrari himself.
Signed in sticker by Enzo Ferrari.
I don't get it.
Okay.
I don't get it. Look what's under this. There's 3 pieces of Velcro with a piece of
A battery terminal cover?
a battery terminal cover that was hot glued. This is like has like silicone on it, and then if you look underneath, there's like a corded something or other.
What the hell is that? Okay.
Not only is it double-sided tape, it's epoxied on there too. I think he used hairspray as clear coat.
Oh, is that what that is?
I don't know. That's what it looks like.
Well, it's still got remnants of the silicone gasket maker on the bottom.
Broken neck Cavallino. It's actually a pin.
Yeah, it's, look at that. So here's the broke back Cavallino. Well, we decided we're gonna keep this and mount it on the wall somewhere because we want to remember this thing. It's been such a journey. So that hood scoop was on the roof, and also, if you remember, on the roof, well, on the A-pillars, there was black trim.
It looks like he tried to paint it and then sanded it and was like, oh, I'm just going to put a vinyl wrap over it because I messed it up.
And it actually went down to here, and then he had these weird black silicone pieces. So we sent this off to our paint guy, and he had to literally grind off the epoxy off the roof. So the entire roof, this whole thing, has been repainted and then blended in. And we were just super impressed. You cannot tell that this was painted at all. There is basically no difference in color. He did a phenomenal job, and he had to blend in this and paint it. And actually there was damage right here because there was some other crap the dude had put on there. If you remember, there was black trim on the sides, there were stickers. The stickers are gone, the trim is gone.
Things on the front right
Oh yeah.
Cavallino right
There was the
here.
rubber bumper, Cavallinos, the fog light, daylight running light things. Look at that. Those are completely gone.
This side had all the crap on the bottom.
Yeah, we had more crap. Oh yeah, and the whole bottom section was black. Remember, there was a wrap on the black. I forgot about that. And then we had the Challenge Stradale. We had the
third brake light.
third brake light, the reverse camera.
There was the panel in the back.
Yeah,
The Ferrari that
the,
was lit up.
the Ferrari panel. There was all sorts of janky wiring back here. We still have this little guy. We left him for now, but the new owner wants us to try and remove it because we thought that was actually kind of okay. But what else? Inside, we had there was the Ferrari panel up against the glass. There was the switches down here with the hose, in silicone, and actually it was silicone to the front of the shift or the console, and that's gone. So all the switches. Oh, you had the dash cam and the Garmin were mounted there.
They were glued on the
Yeah,
dash.
they were literally glued on there. Oh, and the engine start stop button. Yes, that's gone.
And the he had painted the horn like.
Oh yeah, this was
thing
silver.
I got-
Yeah, the silver horn icons. And of course, we not only unpimped it, but we converted it to a manual. So it's got 3 pedals, and we have the beautiful gate. So yeah, this thing, this took a lot of effort. Let me tell you. Oh, and we did a major service on it, so it's got new timing belts. Man, we've done a lot. This thing took a lot of effort. So this is a little bit aside, but the paint guy that Josh is friends with, that has been doing paint work for Josh for a long time, he does amazing work. I mean, this is truly impressive. We were astounded. He not only did all the paint, he actually redid all the trim around the glass and stuff too, because it was all messed up. And it looks, I'm gonna say, the paint's probably better than factory, because let's be real, Ferrari factory paint's kind of crap. But this looks amazing. I mean, it's really, really good. We've been tossing around the idea of actually building a paint shop on our property and having paint services. I don't know if that's something that would be of interest. Obviously, that would be more local to Austin. So let us know. Send us an email or send us a comment below if that's a service that you'd be interested in. They can do this kind of quality of work. I don't know. We're still fleshing out this idea. So anyway, hit us up in the comments below. But the Unpimp My 360 is going out the door. It is bye-bye. It's paid for.
It was really good to bring a car back to life.
Yeah, we were.
Give it a second lease on life. Mechanically, it was fine. Well, we did the timing belts. And
We did the timing belts, and there was a few other things that we changed and whatever. But it's nice that like we were able to take this Ferrari that was less than.
And let's be real, nobody was going to buy that car.
Well, lots of people wanted to buy it for cheap, but anyone was going to do what we were going to do. Like they had to unpimp it. It was not good. Well, that's it, you guys. So like, share, and subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of cool car stuff. So check out normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services from us. And of course, NG Supercars. That's where we sell our cars through a dealership. We do appreciate your guys' support. We'll be doing a lot of cool car stuff. You're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.